Hi, this is Rebecca Slabaugh, Arcadis' technical expert on the lead and copper rule, here to give you an overview of the 5 major activities that typically occur during a lead service line replacement. These major activities are planning, resident outreach and service line investigation, construction and restoration, flushing internal plumbing, and water quality testing. Step 1. Planning. New regulations require water systems to remove lead service lines by approximately 2037. Lead service line replacement programs are usually initiated by local utilities to continuously provide a safe source of drinking water to its residents. What is a service line? A service line connects the water main in the street to the household plumbing. The utility may own only a portion of the service line, typically from the water main to the curb stop. The program starts with careful assessment and planning, considering various factors involved, including the density of service lines, available funding and affordability, and the neighborhood score on socioeconomic indices. Step 2. Resident outreach and service line investigation. Residents will be notified when their property may be served by a lead or galvanized steel service line. Service line investigations may include inspection inside the home or test pits at the curb stop to confirm the current service line material. Investigation inside the home, often in the basement, involves physical observation of the pipe. The pipe must be accessible and exposed to complete the test. Test pits involve digging to expose underground utilities for inspection. It often takes place near the curb stop and helps determine the material of the drinking water service line on both the utility and resident sides. When the presence of a lead service line is confirmed, the resident will receive further instructions before the replacement is scheduled. Step 3. Construction and restoration. A lead service line replacement is usually completed in one day. Since water will be unavailable for several hours during construction, residents are recommended to collect water supply in advance for cooking and drinking purposes. The resident will receive a filter before the service line replacement is complete. It will help remove particles that have been dislodged during the replacement. A project representative will be available to help with questions or concerns. Replacing the service line usually involves digging a trench at the curb stop in the grass terrace and sidewalk area. To minimize digging, the contractor may use trenchless methods between the curb stop and the home. If the water meter or service line is behind a finished wall or floor, the resident will need to remove the obstructions and grant access for work. The new service line will enter through the floor or wall and connect to the resident's existing plumbing at or before the meter or the first water shutoff valve. After the connection is complete, the contractor will flush the new water service line through an outside spigot to remove any debris or sediment. Any holes from construction in the area around the new water service entry will be backfilled. Disturbed grass and or concrete areas near the curb stop will also be restored. Step 4. Flushing internal plumbing. After the replacement of a service line, residents should complete the following steps for flushing all indoor taps. First, if able, remove aerators from all faucets that will be flushed. Second, turn on cold water taps to the fully open position throughout the home, starting at the lowest level. This includes any bathtubs, bathroom sinks, laundry sinks, and kitchen sinks. Once all the taps are open, set a timer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn off the faucets in the same order they were turned on, i.e., starting at the lowest floor. Reinstall any aerators that have been removed. Step 5. Water quality testing. The federal government recommends sampling tap water 3 to 6 months after the replacement of the service line. Residents will receive a door hanger or mail to notify them that sampling will be performed. Thereafter, a sampling kit with required materials and instructions will be delivered to the resident. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to contact me with any questions.